This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 33 of Building Optimus Prime from Fanhome. In this issue, we're continuing the torso, the main guts area. I think we're going to be doing this for a little while. There's lots of little details and things to add on to this. Looking at John Keller. Not a memorable character for me. That is the power of the Prime. Becoming Prime gives you certain skills and abilities, no doubt. Ravage, yeah, remember Ravage. Look through these pretty quickly. If you do want to pause and read the words, you should be able to read them. Let me know if you're having trouble with any of these, any difficulties with reading the words or anything. I'll see if I can do anything, but I think I've got it focused right for you. Decepticons victory. They never really win in the end, do they? That would be a bad thing. So yes, the torso. No screws involved in this issue. Clipping some things together and then clipping them onto the torso that I've already got just off camera here. Nice and easy part of the build, and getting him looking quite nice. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to it. Right. So we've got several parts. These we're not dealing with quite yet. These we are. These go together thusly. So there are differences. This part is the same, both of those, but these ones do have the pins coming out in the different direction. You need to make sure you get them the right way around, and they are slightly articulated. You can bend them to get them in the right orientation once they're put together. I put them together like that. Then these go onto here, going outwards and with the pins coming down. That should just pop into there. Yeah, quite tight, but it does go in. There we go. And that will again give me articulation there. That one there, that one this side. And then we find out if I've got them the right way round, because this then attaches to the whole thing. On this side, yes, it got two little clippy bits on here that go onto there. That just clips in place. And then we have to get these lined up. That's where the bending comes into place. So we've got, are they going to go there? Let me double check the instructions and make sure I'm getting them in the right place. It does show all 4 pins going into place. So I might need to adjust the angles of things. It's not this one, it's that one in there and that one down there. So that needs to be twisted around a little bit. That one will go in there and that one will go in there. Like that. Same on the other side. Again, bend a little bit, twist a little bit, and get it lined up. Go down a bit more, there we go. Nice. Probably not hidden detail. I'm sure you're going to be able to see this, at least some of it from there, but there we go. So then we got to go back to the other side for this. This goes onto there. There is a flat side to that part. Obviously that lines up into there. Quite small. Do need to make sure you get the flat side on the flat side. That is the flat side there, and that is the flat side there. Good. Go together. Why am I having trouble with this? There, that is there. So I had it then, but then it wasn't. Definitely there. Definitely there. Twisting it when I'm trying to put it in, and then it's not lined up properly. There we go. That goes together like that. And then that goes in there with two little pins. I was a little bit worried when these parts don't have any screws to hold them together. But the pins are actually quite a pure location device. So it's not actually too bad at all. Because they're that secure, I can't even get them in here. Try that again. It's got to be that way around, isn't it? It won't go that way around. It won't go that way around. It's got to be this way around because that lines up with that. Is there? There you go. That is in there like so, and that fits to the other side over here with the two little pins at the top and bottom on there. Bit like that. So there we go, more detail added. Little bits poking out and things, but we'll be attaching those no doubt. I think we're doing the torso for a little while. So that is that. Another week done, another issue done, and it's coming together. I'll see you soon for the next bit. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.